how's life treating you? Hopefully life is treating you well, and if not, I do hope it gets better. Today we are unboxing 2 boxes that I recently found stored with the other stuff that I still have to unbox, and I figured why not make a video and share it with all of you. So we are going to unbox this Clinique set today, and swatch it, look at it, and see. Came like this. Don't ask me, I think I got this during Christmas, so if you purchased $35 or something in Clinique, you get this little box for free. And then this little Best of Beauty sampler, I unboxed this because I might be giving some of these beauties away, and this cost me $12.99. Now I don't know if you can get this anywhere, or if this is like something they give you for free when you purchase the products, but it's, yeah, see, it came from, oh, actually I got this from the Navy Exchange. So BeatifulYou, my daughter got it for me. I was like, what the hell is in here? I thought they were a bunch of pads. I was like, I've been duped. I got pads. I don't want pads. So those of you that know, I thought they were like always pads or something. I was like, these are big old pads. Oh my god. So they have been beautifully wrapped in pink tissue paper. Shit. Okay, so let's go ahead and open tissue paper number 1 and see what we got here. Okay, so for $12.99, it's not bad for this box, because a lot of these items you already get in like an Ipsy box, which is like $10, and this has more items. So the first little tissue paper has, it says melt into moisture matcha butter concentrating mask, and this is Deva curl. So by the word curl, I am going to say that it is for your hair. So that's that one. And then we also get 2 things. Oh, I think we've received this before, and I believe in an Ipsy bag. Ultra Repair Cream. And this is by, I might have to do this without my glasses today. Screw it. First Aid Beauty. There you go. And this is Amazing Grace Ballet Rose. This is my handy dandy kidder scissors. It's a little perfume. Oh, it's a nice size too. Let's smell it. Let's see if I don't get anything up my nose like I always do. Oh, it smells good. Oh, it smells like roses. It smells like alcohol and then a rose scent. So it's a pretty nice scent, more for spring. Let's see, package number 2. Yeah, so when my daughter was home, we went to the Great Lakes Navy Exchange, and while there, she bought me this. Because like that, usually you have to buy something to get this for free, but if I can pay $13 for it and just get the box without having to buy anything else, it's good. This is Restore Smooth Blowout Concentrate by Living Proof. That's the little sample. So it's like getting an Ipsy bag. And this is, wow, it's small. This is the tiny, tiny little products. With all my hair, I don't know. You think I'm gonna be this will I'll kill this whole thing in one sitting. This is used for heat protection. So it says for visibly healthier blowout. Yeah, right. I don't think so. Not with that little bitty thing. Not for this hair. There's a lot of hair. Actually, it looks like a lot of hair because I had it braided and I took the braids out. Okay, so now let's do package number 3. And I'm a hoarder of tissue paper, and I sell on eBay, so I'm just gonna keep the tissue paper. Oh, this is actually kind of nice. This is a baked bronzer. That's actually really pretty. But I have so many bronzers that it's rose gold. So if my daughter doesn't want it, I will put it in a giveaway. And it's a cruelty-free product. It's by Black Radiance Beauty. Am I holding it right? Or should I do it this way? I really should change the settings on my computer because it keeps grabbing my face. And this is Milani. Yeah, let me just keep these off. Tenderness, number 2. Amor Shine. Liquid lip color. That's a pretty color. Yeah, this perfume smells like roses. Smells good. It just smells like a bouquet of roses. So that's everything that came in this little box. Actually, what? Oh, I seen what they did here. Because the cream, see this how it has a cream here? Well, that's not what I got. And then it says the moisture was just a little pack. I thought this was actually going to be in there, but it was just a little foil packet. Hide my face so I can focus on that. Anyway, that's everything for $13. Was it worth it? Yeah, because you got a full-size Milani lipstick, and you also got this bronzer, which I don't know what the price is, but I'll link it all down below. I just wanted to show you what I received in that little box because I found it. And then this is also the Clinique. So let's unbox this one. Like I said, this was during Christmas, and every now and then if you go to Macy's, you can find some really great deals. So they'll say spend $35 on an item by Clinique and you receive this entire box for free, which actually turns out to be quite nice. Oh, look at that. So this is how it comes, and it comes in a bag. Actually, this is real nice. Real nice, Clinique. And I really like this purple bag. See-through bag. And they individually wrapped everything. They don't look like pads. Like my last one. Terrible. Terrible. Anyway, so we received a black mascara. We usually get these little the little sample ones in boxes. And Pamela's ever so favorite eyeliner in ebony, which is good because I love eyeliner. We also received 2 more items. Let's see, this is the Clinique All About Eyes. It says reduces circles, puffs, and it's allergy tested, 100% fragrance free, so I won't even open it to try to smell it. So it's a nice size little sample. And we also get, you know, I have not one Clinique lipstick, not one. I have tons of lipsticks. Ooh, nice, real nice. This is a pretty color, and it has a moisturizing stick inside it. You can see this is nice. This is in the color of Strut, number 45. This reminds me of a girlfriend I had when I was in high school. Her mom used to always use Clinique, and they always had these little lipsticks. I think her name was Maria. We called her Tom Maria. What else did we get? Ooh. We also received the Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. Everything Clinique has is so pretty and cute. We got that, and this is 0.5 ounces, so it's a nice size. It's fragrance free, but it's full. It is full, so that's nice there. And one more item. Oh, and here's a little book. So it did come with a little book with everything that you get in this bag. And right now, oh, actually they give you, let's see what else is in here before I start looking at the book. Oh, the palette. Ooh, pretty. This actually serves as a mirror, if you ask me. Oh shit, there I am. It serves as a mirror, and you just saw my whole setup in the background. Oh, this is real nice. So those are the colors. Again, showing off my stuff back there. Those are really pretty. So it says limited edition peppercorn, which is this one here, and then This one is Soft Shimmer, then limited edition Concord, Rock Violet, and Seashell Pink. Those are very, very, very pretty. I will keep this. Sorry, but I like it. So it's real nice. Nice mirror. Ooh. Look cute. Anyway, so they give you suggestions on how to wear the look. Nice. And that's everything. And here's a little bag. And if I don't want it, I'll give it away, and if not, I'll sell it on eBay. This was actually really nice. I really, really, really enjoyed this this little box. Oh, like I was gonna say, Macy's, I actually went on there and I ordered some products, Lancome. So if you buy $35 worth of Lancome, you receive a crap load of stuff for free. I think it was like a palette, some makeup remover. When I get my box from Macy's, I will unbox it, but for $35, which what did I buy? I bought a cream for my face or something, and everything else that's gonna be in the box is free. So great deal. And then I used Ebates, so I got 6% cash back on that purchase, which is just a few cents, but whatever, it all adds up. And then I also used my $5 Macy's beauty coupon that I got in my Macy's box. So it came out to be $40. I think it was a $45 product. It went down to $40 plus tax. I think it was like $43 or something. So I should be getting that soon. And when I do, I will unbox it. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for coming today to see this nice little haul. Free when you purchase products like through Walgreens or through Macy's or what. Isn't this cute? Isn't this adorable? A little Clinique paper. Can you see that? I love this. Too bad the box that we got for Lord didn't have any tissue paper in there, because that would have been cute. Anyway, starting March 1st, I will have a big giveaway in March, but it's going to be for the entire month, and 2 things are happening in March. I reached my 500 subscribers. Yay! And I'm also celebrating my birthday. So next month I will put together a really big bag of items right now. So again, thank you for stopping by and spending some time with me. I really appreciate it. And until next time, everybody, hasta Laterz.